Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Kusama, LQTY, and MobileCoin and ask the question, would I buy or should you buy those cryptocurrencies in the bear market? This is installment 110 to 112 of 1001. And if you like this content, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, I forgot to say this part, but as always, you can see a link to the entire Would I Buy playlist in the description of this video. And so let's go ahead and dive right into this. Would I buy, we'll start with Kusama in the bear market. Now, if you have already watched my Polkadot video, there was an unpleasant surprise for some of you when I said that I would not buy Polkadot in the bear market. And mostly it did not have to do with the fundamentals. It had to do with the price action. It seemed more like a turtle instead of a hare. I am looking for cryptocurrencies that have dipped very low and risen, that could potentially rise much higher. Polkadot was one of the few handful of cryptocurrencies that I bought in December of 2020 that did not do all that well in comparison to, I saw 100Xs, 50Xs. Polkadot didn't do it. I expect something similar this time around. Now, Kusama, what's the connection? Kusama is the canary, that's what they call it, the canary of the Polkadot coal mine. And so what you do is, if you're a developer, you want to move quickly, you want to test out what your blockchain would look like, you launch that on Kusama and you figure things out. And so Kusama, I like what they do because I like Polkadot, and I'm very hopeful for what this could look like, what the two can look like in the future. As far as price action is concerned, I actually really like what I'm seeing with Kusama. So it peaked at over $600. It wicked up above $600 in May of 2021, almost came back to that price in November of 2021, came a little bit short. And as of today, which, we're in the middle of a bear market rally when I'm making this video. A lot of cryptocurrencies are up much higher, and Kusama, it has kind of flatlined, which I am okay with in the bear market. Not every cryptocurrency is going to pump like crazy, and it looks like Kusama is one of those cryptocurrencies. So it is right now, as of today, down 93 to 94% from its peak. And will it go put in a higher high next cycle? I think it could, but even if it doesn't, even a 10x from here would be less than a 618 retracement. That is very attractive to me. And I do think, that it would at least do a 618 retracement, maybe a 702, and it could potentially put in a higher high next cycle. So looking specifically at the charts and only at the charts, this is one that I am interested in, but then you add in the functionality. I like Kusama as a cryptocurrency. I like what they do. And then looking at the tokenomics, there aren't many red flags when it comes to the tokenomics of Kusama. Now, volume has been low, but I would expect, as we get more developers in the space over the years, for volume to pick up pretty significantly for this particular cryptocurrency. And so Kusama, just what I'm seeing here, it looks good. Circulating supply has been pretty flat over the last year. It just doesn't look like there's anything left that we have to worry about with vesting or with inflation. I really like this cryptocurrency as a potential bear market buy, and I will be adding this to my portfolio. Now, moving on, LQTY. LQTY, I sound weird saying LQTY. Now, this is amazing to me. The contrast between what I'm seeing here, which is something that I am very interested in using this platform. I've already talked about this with Aave and with Compound. LQTY is another one that I just really, really like what I see. And I'm going to be coming back to this as one when we get to that euphoria phase. I want to transfer some Ethereum or whatever on here. I want to borrow against it and not worry about, interest rates or anything like that. LQTY has the goods. And so, yes, very interested in that. But oh my goodness. I have never seen anything like this. And I already posted this on my Twitter account. Here's the price. Look at the price. Oh my man, never seen anything like this. Peaked at 48.05 in April of 2021, didn't come close to that in November of 2021 when a lot of cryptos put in new all-time highs, or at least got close to it. 1432 in November of 2021, and then has flatlined up until very recently, where it's gone up to $3, scorching hot, $3.20 for this cryptocurrency. But you ready for this? I don't think you are. But are you ready for this? Check this out. Market cap. Boom. New all-time high. Has blown away its previous all-time high in market cap. And that's because this is a highly inflationary cryptocurrency. As of right now, all right, it may be over. But 91 million is the circulating supply. Let me check out Masario real quick. Yeah, 91.3 million. We saw a huge jump in the May of 2022 in its supply. I would assume that that's vesting releases, which is just so it's just how a lot of cryptocurrencies work, and it's just something you have to pay attention to. But the market cap is at an all-time high as of the day that I'm making this video, and the price is not anywhere near. It's down still as of today over 90%, over 95% from its peak. What is this going to do next time around? I mean, really, I have to ask that question. If you are interested in buying this cryptocurrency, what are you are you expecting a higher high? I would not expect anywhere near a higher high for this cryptocurrency. Absolutely not. I mean, all right. For that to happen, we have a market cap currently of 287 million, and the price would have to do something like, let's just say, a 20x. So we would be well over $1 billion. We would be at 40, almost 60 billion, if I'm doing the math right. No, sorry, 6 billion. That even 6 billion, that's just not in the cards for this cryptocurrency. I can't see that happening. And that's just for it to reach its previous all-time high. No, thank you. And so the contrast here between, I love this, and total value locked. People are using this. 695 million locked. People are using this. They're getting 110% collateral. I didn't even see that. 0% interest rate, 110% collateral. That is amazing. I mean, no, that is amazing. I was going to say that's scary, the fact that they can get away with that. But look, you convert your crypto to LUSD, convert that to regular USD to cash, and you're good. And if liquidity goes down, you are off of their platform. You don't have to worry about that. But I love what I'm seeing with this cryptocurrency. I looked up Liquidity just to see more about the fundamentals. And here's an account, Fundamentals in Tokenomics. A technical independent risk management firm has rated dozens of crypto protocols, and Liquidity Protocol has been the highest rated so far. It offers 0% interest rate loans, et cetera, et cetera. It checks off everything fundamentally that I would want, and their tokenomics are terrible. Oh my goodness. No, I'm not touching this cryptocurrency. And yes, I will be using Liquidity in the future. It's so frustrating because there's so much more potential. And so maybe it will put in a higher, maybe it will go to $6 billion market cap. I don't know. That's just, there's much better options when it comes to buying low and selling high. That's all I'll say. So I have a yes and a no. Let's go to MobileCoin. MobileCoin is interesting to me. So MobileCoin, you can pretty much picture what they're trying to be, right? It is trying to envision a future where MobileCoin, let me just click on this article here, how MobileCoin aims to be the global cash app. This is what MobileCoin is trying to do. So I am treating this like I would a startup. In other words, most startups fail, but the ones that do well, the ones that enter into the sphere, enter into the common mind, do very well, you know? And so I want to throw something at this in some regards, and that is, you know, MobileCoin. Here's the deal. I remember this was several years ago, a long time ago. I want to say like 2017 or 2018. I was in a position financially where I needed to do some Uber driving, and I was in Bloomington, Indiana. That's where I lived, and did some Uber driving. And everyone, all of the college students were talking about Venmo, and I was like, what is Venmo? You know, it's like, hey, you know, we split the ride, the cost of the ride, Venmo me $5 or whatever it was. And I'm like, what? And here was something that had entered the consciousness of these college students that I had heard of, but I was like, who in the world is ever going to use Venmo? I could see something similar happening with mobile coin, and they already do have some real world use happening here. So we have a competitor to Cash App into Venmo, Signal, and they have adopted mobile coin. And this is just, it is a beta as of right now, as far as what I know, but is the beginning of something that can potentially be a workable thing and can be a major player. Will it? It's one of those things, it's like, I want something in there just in case. Will the cryptocurrency put in a higher high? Well, it depends on how much potential people see with it and how much it grows in the sphere. But real world use case for sure. So this could die. It could go to zero, or it could explode and be a part of everyday vernacular. That to me is something that I'm for sure not going to go all in on, but it's something that I'm going to be looking at. Looking at the tokenomics, I mean, I don't want to spend too much time on the tokenomics. It's at a point right now with its circulating supply versus total supply that, you know, is it the best in the world? No, but it's fine. We're not gonna get crushed by the market cap reaching new highs, but the price not. A lot of that has already happened, you know, so not gonna worry too much about that. And this is another one that is down pretty significantly from its peak. And so again, if it does I think it would at least do a 618 retracement. That's going to be pretty phenomenal returns from here, but it could put in a higher high. It just depends again on how much it grows, and how much it eats up that peer-to-peer trading market cap. And so, yeah, that's really it. Kusama is a yes. It's a pretty strong yes. Liquidity is a no. It's, man, is it the strongest? No, it's not the strongest. No, it's not. It is a strong no. While I will be using Liquidity for sure. And then mobile coin, not a back the truck up cryptocurrency, but something that I want to put something in the hopes that it would be everything that they want to be. So I'd love to hear your thoughts though. That's all I have for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Are any of these cryptocurrencies appealing to you or not? Otherwise, I will see you in another video. Peace.